How to clear cache and free up memory on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From here, we swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, scroll down and tap on device care. Now tap on memory. Then tap on the clean now button to free up the memory and clear the cache. In here, if you tap on the view more button, you can go down and review a list of apps. If there is any apps that you want to keep the cache for the app, then simply deselect it. So for example, if you do not want to clear the cache for the YouTube app, simply deselect it. And after that, we then go up and tap on the clean up button to clean up the cache memory for the selected apps. And that's it. We have now freed up 3 GB of cache memory, and now we have 58% left. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.